Hi guys, good morning. Nasa kasiguran ako. Pinuntahan ko yung Station of the Cross. Kaya lang, naligaw muna ako bago ako nakarating dito. Pero ayos lang, ganda naman yung napuntahan ko muna. Yung falls dito, napakataas. Okay, music please.
And my heart just breaks for all the love you've given and all that we share. I promise you I'll always be there. I'll love you always through the highs.
Umpisa pala ito ng ahon dito sa part 1. Part 1 Station 1.
Forever, I'll love you always. Through the trials of life and the dreams we chase, I find my courage in your warm embrace. With every step we take, together hand in hand.
Hindi naman pala masyadong ahon. Hindi masyadong matarik. Medyo matarik lang. Hindi masyado yung talagang sobrang tarik. Kala ko nga hindi makaahon yung motor ko. Pero kayang-kaya naman. Tsaka ang ganda ng kalsada. Talagang bagong gawa. Sabi nung April talaga, nung malaro ito hinapol daw itong matapos. Pero hindi masyado, hindi matapos yung pinakadulo, yung pinakatuktok sa taas. Inaayos pa.
Ito yung Station 2. Ayan o. Ganda talaga ng tarawid dito.
The highs and the lows in every season as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays, you're my forever. I'll love you always. As we journey on and the years go by,
mas matarik pa nga pala yung ano? Mas matarik pa yung sa Bakon. Ewan ko dyan sa taas, parang may mas mataas dyan, mas matarik. Tubong-tubo. Gusto na sabi dyan ano, may pwede na sa Kubo. Hanggang doon lang sa Tukok, Kubo. Ito yung Station 3. Station 3. Diretso na lang ako pataas, tanghali na. Magandang Kubo rin. May agila oh. Ito yung Station 4. Station 4. Ito ba yung matarik ka sabi niya. Station 5. Pero pagbibidyo mo na ako. Mamaya na? Mamaya na? Yes. Ayan. Pumunta naman kayo dito. Boom! Gising! Punta ka dito! Ayan o, ang ganda! Wow! Ang pababa! Ganda! Mamaya pag tago sa ano magkakain muna ko. Ito sayang, dapat may kasama. Ganda sa video. Hanggang dito na lang. Ito yung bubo. Ilan na to? Station ano? Hindi pa? Sa taas? Yung tatlong ano? Station. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yes. Pwede pa dahan? Ano mo pa? Ano mo dapat lang? Wow! Ito na pinaka-last. Dito na lang pala ang kalsada, yung ano putol na naayos pa, kaya igagarahe ko muna yung motor.
I built our life with worn out hands, each corner carved with sacred plans. You were the spark that lit my soul. Now I just talk where echoes roll. The porch lights on like days before, but you're not laughing anymore. Every night I breathe a prayer. Come back home, are you out there? I'm still waiting at the door, where your shoes don't tread no more.
Ito pala yung ano, pinakadulo. Ayan, rough road pa yung ginagawa pa nila.
I'm still stuck where we did start. Even silence
Ito yung ginagawang kalsada. Paikot.
when your memories come.
Ayan, dagat oh.
I don't need the world to know, just need you to come.
Ito na yung pinaka-dulo.
You wore your dreams like Sunday
Dito lang
best.
muna.
Stood behind,
Tingnan
gave
mo nga
you
yung
the
kabila.
rest. I tied your tie, I watched you soar, and now I'm just a closing door. The
Ito
clock
yung
still ticks, but not for me. I
bundok.
count the steps you'll never be. I gave you wings, I stayed behind. Now I'm just a place in time.
Oh, mga
I'm
bangin.
still waiting at the door,
Oh, may
where
nag-chichisyo
your
ah.
laughter lived before.
Ganda.
Even pain
Ayan,
begins
kaya
to
nagtutok na ako.
fade, but the love it
Mas
always
pasado.
stays. Still alone, still the same, whispering
Sana
your name.
Papakita ko yung pinaka
I
dulo.
don't need the world
Wala
to
sana
see.
magano ng video.
Just need you to come to
Ayan.
me. I don't want
Ayun
gold,
yung
I don't
dinaanan
need
ko.
fame. Just
Ano?
one more time to
Layo,
hear
oh.
your name.
Ayun yung
One more day to
kalsada
say
niyo.
goodbye, to ask the stars and
dadaan
not
pa ako dyan
just
sa-
cry. I'm still waiting.
Dito sa bandang
at
kaliwang dagat
the
ang dadaanan ko.
door.
Tapos tatawid pa ako dyan sa bundok na yan. Wow.
You're the song I still replay, the light that never fades away. Even if you're gone for good, I'd wait
Ayan na yung pinakadulo.
forever
Pinakaibabaw
if
nito.
I could. Still waiting,
Siguro pa uwi na ako.
still the
Okay.
same, still whispers